could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you? They loving the crew, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew, they loving the crew.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this, I think it's 5x5 kinky curly closure wig. I haven't worn a kinky curly hair in a long time. I have been working with like deep curly water wave, but to get a good kinky curly hair I haven't gotten one in a long time. So I was pretty much very excited to work with this hair, and I'm actually happy about the results. The hair actually held up the curls, and I didn't really put much in it than just some water and conditioner mixed together. That's all I really used on this wig, and came up pretty cute. I don't remember the length of this wig, but just from the top of my head I would probably say it's around 12 inches. But again, never quote me on the length of the wigs, because child, I work with so many wigs, sometimes like 4 or 5 wigs throughout the day, so it's just like for me to actually remember every single length, it's hard. But nevertheless, you guys should check in the description box down below, and you guys will definitely see the length and the more details on the wig. But before we jump into the installation of the wig, let me just show you guys what Luvme Hair actually sent inside the package along with the wig. They sent me some wig labelers, some bonnet. They sent me some stocking cap, which it is dark for my skin tone, so obviously I couldn't use this one. Some Luvme Hair scarf. I never really use these scarves, but I have a lot. The bag to put the wig in, and I think they sent me a baby hair comb, which I did take out because I wanted to use it. But yeah, I think that's all they sent to me inside the package, and obviously the wig. And like I said, this is a 5x5 kinky curly wig. Really love this wig. Really love the outcome. Really love the way the curls were defined. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep.
My newest look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for where I want.
need some me time.
You know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for where I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide for where I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide for where I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't from E1 night time. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys would love to purchase this wig, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.